Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming basics but move fast. Open settings and check sound output, volume level, and whether the device or app is muted. Once done, update Chrome OS so drivers behave predictably, then close or pause background tabs that use CPU and can lower audio priority. You also press the volume up keys repeatedly to reach max. If you see multiple outputs, select the correct one. These steps remove software limitations and prepare for deeper adjustments. Next, you tackle software-level improvements. Open Chrome, //flags, and enable audio-related flags only if stable. This can change audio routing and gain. Once enabled and restarted, try a trusted volume-boosting extension or a web player with built-in gain. These increase perceived loudness by amplifying the signal. Make sure to test different output formats and sample rates in settings if available, because higher sample rates or stereo formats can output clearer, louder sound. Proceed stepwise to avoid distortion. Finish by addressing hardware and final verification. Plug in powered external speakers, a USB DAC, or a Bluetooth speaker for immediate volume gain. These bypass weak internal amps. Once connected, tweak the equalizer to boost highs and mids for clearer volume without harsh distortion. Make sure speaker grills are clean. If audio remains low, reset audio settings and, as a last resort, perform a power wash. This removes lingering config issues. Quick troubleshooting. If distortion occurs, reduce boost and check connections.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.